How to sync bit in CapCut application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can sync bits in CapCut application. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch CapCut application in your mobile device. Tap on new project. Then you have to select the photos and videos that you want to add in order to sync with the bit. Once you have added, that's going to take you to the editing piece. Now add audio, tap on the audio, then go to the sounds. From the music library, select the song that you want to add. Tap on the audio to play it, then tap on the plus icon to add it in your video. That's going to take you to the editing piece where you can find the audio there. Tap on the audio now to sync the bit. Swipe the menu bar to your left and there is a beats option, tap on it. From here, tap on auto generate option, then tap on add bits. That's gonna generate the bit automatically. As you can see, there are some yellow dots on the music, so those are the bits that you can use to sync. Tap on the tick mark, and here in the timeline also you have that yellow tick mark that will help you sync your videos and photos with the bits in the audio. Now to sync it with the audio, select your photos or videos, then you can add the transition according to the bits. So here I'll just select one of the bit on this audio. I'll place the vertical line on that audio and I will crop my video there. Split the video and I will delete the remaining part. Here I have synced my video with one of the bits on the audio. And same with the photo too. Tap on the photo, then make sure that it syncs with one of your bits. Here my photo sync with this bit with the yellow tick mark here as shown by the vertical line. Now you could delete the remaining part of that audio. Tap on that audio, split it up and delete the remaining part, and if you play your video, you'll find your videos and photos automatically synced with the bits in the audio that you have added. So that's the way to sync bits in CapCut application, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.